Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member and her name is Jennifer and she writes, "Hi Miss Planet, hi Jennifer. My daughter wants a cascading bouquet with sunflowers. I'm at a loss on how to make this bouquet look amazing and putting the right colors together." Well Jennifer, we're going to show you exactly how to do that. We went ahead and made our result the inspiration. So, what are we waiting for, guys? Let's go ahead and put this beautiful fall wedding cascading bouquet together with 3 or 4 easy steps. What are we waiting for? Let's get to it. First things first, let's go ahead and put our straight-handled bouquet holder and styrofoam cone together. You're going to trim your cone down so that it fits nice and snug into your bouquet basket. You're going to have to cut the top and the bottom typically to make it fit. So we're going to trim off the top also, just about, a half an inch or so. And then we'll go ahead and place it back in our straight-handed bouquet handle and snap the pieces together. If you'd like some extra support, feel free to put a little hot glue on the rim of each piece, and that will give you that additional support, finishing it off with a bouquet skirt. Always remember that you can extend your stems with just some simple floral wire. You're going to twist it around the natural stem of the artificial flower or greenery, and then you just simply use that wire and attach it to your styrofoam cone. Super simple. So you can make your stems as long or as short as you need to. Well, Jennifer, how did we do? It's absolutely gorgeous. I can picture this bouquet at a beautiful outdoor fall wedding with a barn or a gazebo. It just has so many options, so many opportunities. And you can even carry over this decor for your centerpieces. Just love it, love it. I hope you love it as much as we do. Well, guys, if you like it, go ahead and like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted. And if you have a comment or a question, please leave it right down there in the comment section. I answer them myself. No one on our staff answers them but me. It may take me a little minute to get to it, but no worries. We have a fantastic DIY community that steps in and helps each other because we're all in this together. If you'd like to hang out some more, head on over to our social media and you can hang out with us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you haven't already signed up for your Rakuten account, what are you waiting for? They pay you to shop. It's super simple. Head down to the description, click on the link, sign up for your Rakuten account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. Well guys, our time has come to an end. It always goes by so fast. Before we go, I want to make sure that you know that you can find more DIY information and cost-saving tips on our website, MissPlanet.com. You can visit just by clicking right there in the corner, that little eye, it'll take you straight there for both picture and written instructions for our projects, as well as fantastic blogs about how you can save money. Head on over to MissPlanet.com also to submit your project request. Just click on the Project Request tab, follow the very simple steps, and submit your project request. Do it sooner than later, guys, because our schedule is already filling up for 2024. Can you believe it? 2024. And I hate to tell anyone no. So the sooner you get your request in, the sooner we can let you know if we can fit you into our schedule. We so appreciate you guys hanging out with us. We know you have so many options here on YouTube, so we do not take your subscribing to us and watching us weekly lightly. Thank you so much. I just want to remind you that when every penny counts, you can count on Miss Planet. Please take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. God bless.